expectations, you can type it in the comment section and let's look at it together. And I will be willing to be of help in that regard. Okay, so that is our scenario here on the UK oil. So we move on to which pair did we talk about next yesterday? We talked about the GBP/JPY where we were expecting a bullish momentum on the GBP/JPY. Unfortunately, we didn't see price come back down into the neckline at 164 Japanese yen where we were looking for a reversal pattern to push price further up, or probably price come back into the buying opportunity zone we identified at around 162 Japanese yen where we were looking for a reversal pattern to the upside. So since that did not happen, I personally took a trade here at 160. It's so unfortunate that I'm not always around with you guys when I take such opportunities. However, there is still opportunity lying for us if price does a retracement to the downside one more time. So what I did here was this, where I noticed that since the beginning of the week, price has been trending higher as we don't have any tendency that price want to come further down as we continue to see price finding higher lows and higher highs. So because of this scenario here, I was just looking for price to break out of the structure here, then a retest of structure. I was looking to take advantage of that move. And the retest of structure happened around this area, so I took that move to the upside. So presently I'm running with about 97 pips in profit, and I'm still of the opinion that considering this 167 area being a key level in the past, if we look left, we can see that this area had been a neckline of a double top structure, which is a strong reversal pattern. And we saw the breakdown of the neckline. We saw a retest of that neckline around here before we saw the bearish move to our buying opportunity zone during the course of last week's trading session. So because of this area at this point, I'm of the opinion that price might come into this area and probably do a short sell because there is a certain niche around that area. Probably do a short sell, after which comes back down into my entry point around here before pushing price further to the upside. So this is my scenario, this is my expectation on the GBP/JPY, and I'm expecting that if this happens, then that's good news for you if you are not part of this trade already. So we look for a retest of this level, then we take advantage of a trend continuation to the upside. Then the other scenario is this on the GBP/JPY, that is the 167 Japanese yen area. If we do have a breakout of that level during the New York session, then a retest of this level should give us an opportunity to enter the trade too as well. So our take profit target on a long-term perspective still remain at $171, which if you are taking it from this 167 area, would be having around 400 pips to catch, which is quite massive for one single trade. So this is how I intend taking advantage of this move. If I see a breakout and retest of 167 Japanese yen area, I want to add one more position to that trade. And if you are not yet in this trade, it could be an opportunity to join the potential rally. However, if we see a rejection of this 167 area and a retest into the 165-500 area, then we see a reversal pattern on the lower time frame. We could join the move to the upside, which of course will increase the potential opportunity of a take profit target of over 500 pips. So let's see how price plays out from this area as we head into the New York session. Now moving on, we talked about the AUD JPY as well, and I think I have